back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you high five that subscribe button and you high five that bell notification so you don't miss any of our upcoming and newest activities. So today's fun do-it-yourself PE game is called Side Slide Soccer. So make sure you guys stay tuned and don't, I repeat, do not go anywhere. Alright, so here's the setup for Side Slide Soccer. Now the items I'll be using today, I have a water bottle that is empty. It can be slightly filled if you like. Okay. I have a pair of shoes. Now those can be swapped out for stuffed animals, water bottles, cones, whatever you guys might have. And then I have one sock ball. Okay. Now what you're gonna have to do in this activity is you're gonna start at one of your markers. So I'm gonna use this shoe here, and I'm gonna have to side slide, squat down. I'm gonna side slide 1, 2, 3. Come to this cone, come back 1, 2, 3, and then when I come back to the middle, I'm gonna go in and sweep using the inside of my foot, to kick my sock ball, and I'm gonna try to knock down my water bottle. Now, if I'm able to do that, I'm gonna get 2 points. So this is what it looks like live. Then I'm gonna side slide, 1, 2, 3, come back, 1, 2, 3, use the inside of my foot, sweep. If I knock it over, I get 2 points. Come back, do it again, side slides, and then do it again. Okay, so that would be a total of 4 points. Now I'm gonna have 1 minute to try to strike down my object as many times as possible. Slide, starting in 3, 2, 1, and go. Side slide, come back, and kick. All right, so I missed, I gotta come back, do it again. Side slide, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, step, inside foot. Oh, I got it in the back end. All right, so that counts, 2 points, 2 points. Again, side slide. Oh, back end again. That's 4 points. Side slide. And kick. Ah, missed. So far, Mr. Garcia has 4 points. 6 points. And time. So, for the activity, Mr. Garcia was only able to get 6 points. Can it be my score? Drop a comment down below. Well, I really hope you enjoyed that game, Side Slide Soccer. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know down in the comment section what you guys thought about the activity, what ways you would have modified it. And don't forget to use our hashtag, ThePESpot, so we can see those modifications in action. And as always, at the PE Spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care.